Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to create a logo design for your YouTube channel or for your brand. So we are going to be making a Pixellab logo design. This kind of logo design can also be called emblem logo design. So let's get started. As you can see, the logo design is made of circles. So we'll be using the shape circle for the design. So click on shape and bring out your circle. So enlarge it a little bit. I think it should be okay. Then change it the color to black. Alright. So try to make the circle to be at the center of the font or the layout. Always remember to lock your steps in order for you not to make some mistakes. So you click on shapes and bring out another circle, and then you leave this one to be white. So you enlarge the circle a bit, try to make it to be at the center. If you can do it manually, you can use this tool to make this circle at the center. So next step is to bring out another circle. Then this one should be black. This one should be black. And then make it small. Also try to make it be at the middle of your design. Alright, so you click on shape and bring out another circle, and then leave this one to be white. So make it to be at the center of the smaller circle. Let's increase this so it can be equal with this black on top. Yeah. So you lock. Next is to bring out the click on shape and use the square shape, change the color to black. And then make sure you place the square at the center of the circle. I think this should be the center, and then make the size of the square kind of equal to the size of the circle. Alright, so next is to put the square at the middle of the other circle. at the back of the other circle by bringing it this way. So you lock your design, and then next is to use another square. Place it at this side. And then you copy, place it at the other side of the other circle. Then try to get it closer to the other square. Make the white one to align with the other one. As you can see, they are not yet aligned, so you bring it closer. Continue doing it until you get what you are looking for. Yeah, so let's adjust the other one, get it closer to the other square, downward. So I believe they are close now, they are aligned together. So the next step is to create the inner circle. So bring out the shape circle, make the color black, and then reduce it to fit the inside. Reduce it to fit inside. Make sure it is equal. Make sure it's at the center of the smallest circle there. And then you lock. Next is to bring out another circle, and then reduce it very small. Make the inner circle a bit, make the width a bit bigger than the others, and then by reducing the inner white circle, and then make sure it is at the center. So lock. The next step, the locking, is to avoid the other layers from moving out of place. You can also decide not to lock. So nextly, you use the square icon, convert to black, use the black color, and then reduce it to be the same with the inner circle, the size, as you can see. Then next, you rotate the circle, rotate the square so it can rotate to an angle 30 degrees. Rotate to an angle 30 degrees, and then move it to the edge of the inner circle, as you can see below. Yeah. Actually, there is something we should have done, but we can still do that. We should have divided the other circle. So bring out this square, and then make it to be at the center of the middle circle. The center of the middle circle. So you put it at the back of this one, the circle. Then you lock. So next is to divide the smaller circle. So you rotate. Make sure the square is not crossing the other circles apart from the one inside. So you adjust to fit. Let's reduce this a bit. Alright. So as you can see, we are done with the frame design. So the next step is to type in your brand name or your YouTube channel name. And then change the color to black, and then you can use any fonts, but in this case I'll be using the Metropolis black font. So you use the curve stuff the curve tool to curve your design, curve the text design. So you reduce the size, and then increase the spacing. So you make sure it's at the middle of the curved circle. So you copy and then write the other text. So you use the curve tool also to minus 80 degrees. As you can see, then you reduce the size. 30 will be okay. And then rotates the angle, and increase the spacing. Then you rotate once more. Now you rotate. And then you change the position this way. Alright, so next is to click on shape and bring out the star. Then you change the color to black and reduce the star to a small size. Sorry. So you click on shape, bring out the star, color to black, and reduce to a small star. Then you move it using your tool. So you can also reduce this once more. I think this should be good. So you duplicate this. And then make this to be at the these spots. So you copy also to the other side. So copy again. So the next step is to merge your shapes, your designs. Watch those ones I'm merging together and those ones I'm leaving behind. Then you merge the ones left together. So you click on this to erase the color, then increase the tolerance to 70. So the next step is to put the textures, and to put the textures on this shape you got to merge this shape with this. If not, you won't be able to do that. So you go to texture and select the gold texture. So you enable and then increase the scale, and this for under texture color. Then you merge the both together. And then head to the 3D shape icon, increase, then reduce to 5/8, and increase the darkness level, then the shadow, and rotate. So the shadow, click on inner shadow 2, then reduce the blur radius to 0. So you emboss. You emboss to 60 degrees. Then you import your background. Relative size, and then increase it. Then you click on to back and lock this, then reduce this, and then you have to change the angle to the Y rotation to 30 degrees. Then you save using the ultra quality.